Not every great motorcycle gets the recognition it deserves. Today we're highlighting 7 budget-friendly motorcycles that more riders should know about, but for some reason, they don't. Number 7. The Suzuki V-Strom 650. Think of the Suzuki V-Strom 650 as the Swiss Army knife of motorcycles. Versatile, dependable, and ready for anything. Whether your journey takes you down city streets, winding mountain roads, or rugged trails, this bike has the adaptability to handle it all. Priced around $9,100, the V-Strom 650 offers an impressive balance between quality and affordability, making it accessible without compromising performance. Under the hood sits a robust yet approachable 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, producing 70 horsepower and 62 newton meters of torque. This engine not only provides ample power for confidently navigating highways, but its smooth throttle response also ensures it remains beginner-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your motorcycling journey, you'll appreciate its predictable power delivery and excellent mid-range torque. Planning long-distance rides? The V-Strom 650 has you covered with its thoughtfully designed features aimed at maximizing rider comfort. Its generous 5.3-gallon fuel tank, combined with an efficient fuel economy of approximately 55 miles per gallon, means you'll spend more time exploring the open road and less time at the pump. Imagine traveling more than 250 miles between refueling stops, perfect for those who enjoy touring or embarking on spontaneous adventures. Beyond fuel efficiency, comfort is at the heart of the V-Strom 650's design. The upright riding position reduces fatigue on extended journeys, and the wide, ergonomically shaped seat offers support during long hours in the saddle. Additionally, the protective windshield and aerodynamic bodywork deflect wind and weather, enhancing rider comfort and reducing strain, even at higher speeds. Yet despite its undeniable strengths, the V-Strom 650 often slips under the radar, overshadowed by adventure bikes with more aggressive styling or flashy reputations. Perhaps its understated appearance or its emphasis on practicality over flashiness causes some riders to overlook it. However, those who've discovered its qualities know it as an exceptional motorcycle that consistently delivers on reliability and capability. If you're in the market for a motorcycle that can seamlessly transition between daily commuting, weekend adventures, and cross-country tours, don't underestimate the Suzuki V-Strom 650. Its versatility, reliability, and impressive efficiency make it one of the smartest choices on two wheels. Number 6. The Yamaha MT-03. Ever wanted a motorcycle that feels like a lightweight sports car on two wheels? The Yamaha MT-03 delivers just that. With a price tag of about $4,999, it's an affordable, naked street bike that's both stylish and incredibly fun to ride. Beneath its aggressive design sits a 321 cubic centimeter engine producing 42 horsepower, making it an excellent choice for urban commuting and weekend thrills. The MT-03 stands out for its agile handling, sharp styling, and beginner-friendly nature, yet it tends to be overshadowed by its bigger sibling, the MT-07. While some riders crave more power, the MT-03 is perfect for those looking for a nimble, affordable, and head-turning bike that's a blast to ride in the city. If you want an entry-level motorcycle that feels like a premium machine, this is one you shouldn't ignore. Number 5. The Kawasaki Vulcan S. If a comfortable and stylish cruiser sounds like your kind of ride, then the Kawasaki Vulcan S might just be the hidden gem you're looking for. Priced lower than many competitors, the Vulcan S features a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, delivering 61 horsepower and 62 newton meters of torque, plenty of power for both city cruising and highway stretches. One of its biggest selling points? Adjustability. The Vulcan S offers customizable seating positions, foot pegs, and handlebars, ensuring a perfect fit for riders of all sizes. It's like getting a tailor-made motorcycle without the high price tag. The 3.6-gallon tank and 48 miles per gallon efficiency keep fuel stops minimal, and its sport bike-like handling makes it much more nimble than traditional cruisers. With ABS brakes for added safety, it offers excellent stopping power without any jarring movements. So why isn't it more popular? Maybe because big-name cruisers steal the spotlight. But if you're looking for an affordable, smooth riding, and highly customizable cruiser, the Vulcan S is one of the best-kept secrets in motorcycling. Number 4. The Moto Guzzi V7. Looking for a motorcycle with classic charm and a unique personality? The Moto Guzzi V7 is an underappreciated masterpiece that embodies Italian craftsmanship, vintage aesthetics, and a truly distinct riding experience. While many motorcycles try to blend into modern trends, the V7 proudly embraces its heritage, making it a standout choice for riders who appreciate style, soul, and mechanical artistry. Starting at $9,190, the V7 isn't the cheapest option on this list, but it delivers something special, a motorcycle that feels like more than just a machine. With a design inspired by classic cafe racers, it captures the essence of old-school motorcycling while integrating just the right amount of modern technology to enhance performance and safety without losing its retro charm. At the heart of the V7 is an 850cc transverse V-twin engine producing 65 horsepower and 73 Nm of torque. This engine isn't about outright speed or high revving power. Instead, it's all about smooth, character-filled performance. The low-end torque makes city riding effortless, and its relaxed yet capable power band allows for comfortable highway cruising. Whether you're gliding through urban streets or soaking in the scenery on a weekend road trip, the V7 provides an unforgettable, engaging ride. But the Moto Guzzi V7 isn't just about nostalgia, it cleverly blends classic design with modern technology. Standard features include ABS, traction control, and a refined transmission, ensuring a safe and confident ride without taking away from the raw mechanical connection that many motorcyclists crave. It offers a timeless silhouette, a beautifully sculpted fuel tank, and signature dual exhaust pipes, making it an instant head turner wherever it goes. So why don't more riders talk about it? Well, it's a niche bike. Moto Guzzi doesn't have the same mainstream dominance as brands like Triumph, Ducati, or Harley-Davidson, and many riders tend to gravitate toward more aggressively marketed alternatives. But for those who appreciate tradition, unique engineering, and the satisfaction of riding something truly different, the Moto Guzzi V7 is an absolute joy to own and ride. If you want a motorcycle that's not just a mode of transport, but a statement of style, craftsmanship, and heritage, the V7 is one of the most rewarding choices out there. It's not about chasing performance numbers, it's about the experience, the feel, and the connection to the road. For those who understand that, the Moto Guzzi V7 is a two-wheeled work of art. Number 3. The Honda CB 500X. Think of the Honda CB 500X as the ultimate gateway into adventure riding, a bike that lets you dip your toes into the world of long-distance touring and light off-roading without overwhelming you with excessive weight, complexity, or cost. It's the perfect balance between practicality and adventure-ready capability, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced riders alike. At around $7,300, the CB 500X delivers outstanding value, offering the kind of versatility that's usually reserved for larger and far more expensive adventure bikes. If you've ever dreamed of owning a BMW GS or KTM 990 Adventure but didn't want to shell out big money or deal with the extra weight, the CB 500X is a fantastic alternative. Its 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine puts out 47 horsepower and 43 Newton meters of torque, providing just the right amount of power for highway cruising, backroad exploration, and city commuting. One of the biggest reasons riders love the CB 500X is its approachability. Unlike some top-heavy adventure bikes that can feel intimidating, this one is light, nimble, and incredibly easy to handle. The upright seating position ensures comfort for long hours in the saddle, while the tall windscreen helps reduce wind buffeting at higher speeds. With a well-tuned suspension setup, it absorbs bumps and rough terrain effortlessly, making it equally at home on pavement and gravel roads. And let's talk about fuel efficiency. This bike sips gas at around 70 miles per gallon, meaning you can ride longer distances without constantly worrying about fuel stops. The 4.6-gallon tank allows for extended journeys, making it a solid choice for riders who want a dependable machine for weekend road trips or cross-country exploration. Despite all these strengths, the CB 500X often gets overlooked in the adventure bike scene. Maybe it's because it doesn't have the rugged, aggressive styling of some of its competitors, or perhaps because Honda has kept it simple and understated stated rather than pushing it as a hardcore off-roader. But make no mistake, this is one of the most practical, confidence-inspiring, and fuel-efficient adventure bikes on the market. If you're looking for a motorcycle that can seamlessly transition from city streets to winding mountain roads and light dirt trails, the Honda CB 500X is a top-tier choice. It's the perfect starting point for adventure seekers who want a reliable, easy-to-ride, and budget-friendly machine without sacrificing capability or comfort. You know, is it? Number 2, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. If retro styling, affordability, and easygoing riding sound appealing, then the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is worth your attention. Priced at about $3,900, the Hunter 350 brings vintage charm with modern reliability. It's powered by a 349 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, producing 20 horsepower and 27 newton meters of torque. Not the fastest, but perfect for relaxed city cruising and light touring. A key reason to consider the Hunter 350 is its simplicity. It's easy to ride, fuel efficient, around 85 miles per gallon, and comes with practical features like USB charging and a basic yet functional dashboard. Despite selling over 200,000 units in less than a year, it's still not as widely recognized as other Royal Enfield models. Maybe it's because people expect more aggressive performance, but if you want a stylish, comfortable, and budget-friendly motorcycle, the Hunter 350 is a hidden gem. And number 1, the Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 has long been regarded as one of the best beginner-friendly middleweight motorcycles, yet it often gets overshadowed by flashier, more aggressive-looking bikes. It's the kind of motorcycle that doesn't scream for attention, but once you ride it, you realize it's one of the most well-rounded and enjoyable machines available. At around $7,000, the SV650 offers an impressive combination of affordability and performance. Powered by a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it produces 72 horsepower and 64 newton meters of torque, delivering a smooth, engaging ride that suits both beginners and seasoned riders alike. The V-twin setup provides a strong mid-range punch, giving riders confidence when accelerating out of corners or overtaking traffic. It's not just about raw power, it's about the usable power that makes every ride feel intuitive and effortless. One of the SV650's standout qualities is its versatility. Whether you need a daily commuter, a weekend canyon carver, or a highway-friendly machine, this bike handles it all with ease. The lightweight chassis, weighing in at around 432 pounds, 196 kilograms, wet, makes it nimble and easy to maneuver, while the low seat height, 30.9 inches, ensures that even shorter riders can confidently plant their feet on the ground. Fuel efficiency is another major perk. With an average of 50 miles per gallon, the SV650 strikes a great balance between performance and economy. The 3.8-gallon fuel tank means fewer stops at the gas station, making it a great option for longer rides without worrying about running on fumes. Another huge advantage of the SV650 is its low cost of ownership. Insurance rates for the SV650 are significantly cheaper than those for high-performance sport bikes, making it a smart choice for those who want excitement without breaking the bank. Plus, with a massive selection of aftermarket parts and accessories, riders can customize their SV650 to suit their style. Whether it's a cafe racer conversion, a naked Street Fighter look, or a touring-ready setup with saddlebags and a windscreen. So why isn't everyone riding one? Perhaps because it lacks the sharp, aggressive styling of super sports like the Yamaha R7 or Kawasaki Ninja 650, or maybe because it doesn't boast mind-blowing horsepower numbers like a larger displacement bike. But the truth is, the SV650 doesn't need to be flashy. Its appeal lies in its dependability, balance, and ease of use. For riders who want a practical, fun, and incredibly capable middleweight motorcycle, the Suzuki SV650 remains one of the best value choices on the market today. Whether you're starting your riding journey or looking for a reliable, well-balanced machine, this bike is an absolute gem. These motorcycles may not be the most talked about, but they offer incredible value, reliability, and riding pleasure. Whether you want a sporty commuter, a retro classic, an adventure-ready machine, or a cruiser that won't break the bank, there's something here for everyone.